about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 5 from verse 21 to verse 43. One dead girl picnic and one sick woman. After that, Jesus go back across Lake Galilee in a one boat. When him reach, a big crowd gather up around him on the seaside. Then one man named Jairus, we did in charge of one of the Jew them church, come which part Jesus there. When him see him go down upon him knee in front of him. Him beg Jesus, "Do, my little daughter got dead. Do, me I beg you, come put your hand upon her and she will get better and live." So Jesus go with him. One big crowd go with him too, and them did a press hard against Jesus. One woman who did a suffer did in the crowd. For 12 years she couldn't have bleed. She go a whole heap of doctor, but none of them couldn't help her. She spent off all her money upon doctor bill, and instead of she get better, she only get worse. The woman did hear what people did say about Jesus, so she come up back in the crowd and touch him clothes. Cause she did say to herself, say, if me could have just touched him clothes, me would have get better. When she touch him, she tap bleed same time, and she feel in her body, say she get better. Same time Jesus knows say the power we him have did make somebody better. So him turn around in the crowd and did ask, who touch my clothes? Him follower them say to him, say, you know see the crowd of people were pressed against you. So how you fear ask who touch you? But Jesus turned around and still look for see who did touch him. The woman did afraid and a tremble because she know what did happen to her. So she drop herself in foot and tell him everything. So Jesus said to her, say, daughter, cause you believe in me, you're alright now. Go on with peace in your heart, cause you're better now. Jesus did still attack when some people from Jairus' yard come to Jairus, the head for the Jew them church. Them tell him, say, your girl picnic dead. What make you still a bother the teacher? But Jesus never paid them no mind. Him said to the head for the Jew them church, nobody afraid, just believe. Jesus never make nobody go with him. Only Peter, James, and James' brother John. When they reach Jairus' yard, instead the people them make one bag of knives and I put on one piece of loud bawling. When Jesus go in, him said to them, say, when you are ball and I go and suffer, the picnic not dead. Asleep, she asleep. And them start laugh after him. But Jesus sent everybody out of the house. Then he take the little girl mother and father and him 3 follow them and go in the room where the little girl did there. Then Jesus take time, hold the little girl and say to her, say, Talita, cum. That mean, little girl, get up. The little girl get up same time and start walk around. She had about 12-year-old. Then we see what happened did shock so till. But Jesus ordered them, trang. No fi tell nobody what happened. Then him tell them, fi give her something fi name. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.